Welcome to Take Care with Joe Hollywood. I am Joe Hollywood. Thank you for joining. Today we're going to talk to you about one of my favorite quick, easy, and best self-care skincare tips, and that is to use a face mist. So some people say they're not that great, they don't do anything, but for me, I love them. And I'll tell you why. So a face mist is a great hydrator, moisturizer, pH balancer, healer, depending on the brand you use and when you use it. So today we're going to talk about Avène. It is one of my favorite brands for healing in skincare. They have a great face cream that I use for when I've blown out my skin barrier from trying different things that sometimes don't work. We'll be talking about those on the channel as well. But I've been at this for 62 years. Shh, don't tell anybody. But so I've learned a few things, and good and bad. But Avène is one of my favorite companies. They are based in France. So their thermal water, which they have a whole line of the thermal water, comes from the mountains in France. Takes 50 years to make it all the way down to the spring. When it gets to the spring, they have a way of taking it out in their production there where they do not expose it to any pollutants at all. It gets directly bottled. During the 50 years that it's traveled down the mountains, it's picked up some minerals that are highly effective in healing and treating the face when it comes to pH balancing. And it is a great soothing if you have sensitive skin. I tend to have dry and sensitive skin. This is the perfect, refreshing, calming, soothing face mist. So one of the things I do, of course, as you would with any face mist, you hold the bottle probably about maybe 11 to 12 inches from your face. Give yourself a nice little spray, and that's it. Now I feel moisturized, refreshed, and I'm ready for the rest of the day. So I do this face mist in the morning during my morning skincare routine twice, actually. I do it a little bit spray before I do my vitamin C, sometimes my serum, depending on which one I use, so that my face is moisturized before I put the vitamin C or the serum on top. It allows it to soak in better. And I'll also use it at the very end after I've used my moisturizer. So now that the moisturizer is there, it can take and absorb all of the moisture from the mist and go to work moisturizing my face. At night, I do the same thing. So I also travel with it. When I travel by plane, I keep the travel size in my bag, and right before the plane lands, I spray my face in the restroom. I come out feeling refreshed and ready for my final destination. I also keep it at work in my briefcase. In the afternoon, when I need that extra little boost, or I'm going into a meeting, I want to look fresh and glowy, I spray a little bit on my face, and it is wonderful. So if you're missing out on something, this is one of the things not to miss on. So it's super affordable. They're we'll be talking about them. I have all different kinds of brands that I use. This one in particular costs anywhere, whether you're on the Amazon site or their own site. This big daddy bottle of 10 ounces is about $19. If they have a 5 ounce, which is about $14, and the little travel size, which I take with me everywhere, is $9.99, $10. The Avène site has 25% off, typically all the time. I got this one for 30% off. So check it out on Amazon. Get yourself some, treat yourself as we go on this journey together with skincare, self-care. Take care.